Today we are going to start a new chapter, the second chapter, The Way to School in your English literature. So, open your book children and go to page number 17. Now, you can see on the screen that there is a get set. It means it is a fun activity. What is written over there? You have to take turns with your partner to trace the route. Now the first one from the well to the temple, and from the second one from the stable to the market. So children, this is a homework you can do on your own also. It's very easy and it's a fun activity. So how you will start? You will trace the route with the help of pencil from the well to the temple. So you will follow the route, mark it with your pencil, and how you will reach the temple you will show me in your next class. The same way you will do the second one also, from the stable to the market. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is The Way to School. You all children come to school and see many things on the way, or and you all have different convents also, transports. Also, some students living nearby walk to the school. Similarly, here we have two kids named Minnie and Vijay who are studying in a school, and currently their father is out of town, and their uncle, whose name is Anand, has come to stay with them and take care of them. Let's see what the story has to say about these two kids and their way to school. Now, just see in your book, or you can see in the screen also. Minnie and Vijay were very excited. Their parents had gone out of town, and Uncle Anand, their father's brother, had come over to look after them. Now, here, children, come over means come to stay, and look after them means to take care of them. Now, next, Uncle Anand was great fun. He always thought of exciting things to do. The last time he stayed with them, he had taken them to see the shooting of a film that his friend was making. So, last time when Uncle Anand came, he took the kids to see a shooting of the film. Now, coming to the third paragraph. For days after that, Minnie went around pretending to shoot a film. Her friends had to hold things like light and cameras while Minnie held a paper cone to her mouth and shouted out directions. So, Minnie, after seeing the shooting, went on acting like she is shooting a film along with her friends. They had fun together. Pretending means to behave in a particular way in order to make other people believe something that is not true. Now it was morning time and these kids had to catch their school bus. Let's see what the story says. Have you got everything? Asked Uncle Anand as the two children set off to catch the school bus. Yes, said the children. See, see you after school. I will have a wonderful surprise for you when you get back. Then the children shouted in excitement, Yay! Oh, tell us what the surprise is. Tell us now, please, begged the children. No, no, it's a time for the bus. You will miss it if you don't go right now. Now, children, now Uncle Anand had planned a surprise for the children. They kept on asking, What is it? Tell us now. But Uncle said, No, when you come back home, I will tell you both. Right now, it's time to catch the school bus. Now, so the children started walking towards the bus stop. I wonder what Uncle is planning, said Minnie. I bet he will take us to watch that football match, said Vijay. Who wants to see a boring match? Maybe he will take us to the bird park. Bird park? Only bird brains want to see birds, said Vijay. The two kids now started discussing what would be the surprise. Vijay said, maybe uncle will take us to watch football match. Minnie said, maybe to the bird park. To this, Vijay said, bird brains go to see birds. Bird brains means silly. Let's see what happens next. By this time, they had reached the bus. They had reached the bus stop, but they could not see any of their friends. Only Murli's mother was there. Oh, you missed the bus. It was left. It just left, she said. What will we do now? Minnie started to cry. Don't be such a crybaby. We can ask Uncle Anand to take us, said Vijay. Now they had missed the bus. Murli's mother told them, so Minnie started crying, and Vijay said, let's ask Uncle Anand to drop us to the school. Now what happened next? Both the children ran back home. We missed the bus, they told Uncle Anand. Well, you can take a holiday and we can go and see the vintage cars at India Gate, said Uncle Anand with a twinkle in his eyes. Oh no, we have a football match with Class 4C. I can't miss that, wailed Vijay. I have to go to school. I have a test, said Minnie. What do you mean by wailed, children, here? Wail means to spoke in a loud complaining voice. Now, what does this paragraph mean, children? They told Uncle Anand that they had missed the bus. So what Uncle Anand said? We can take a holiday and go and see vintage cars, means old famous cars. Twinkle in his eyes means shining eyes. But the children refused, as Vijay had a football match in the school and Minnie had a test.